This dinner recipe is certainly a family favorite. Every time I make it, it always hits. Today we're going to be making a juicy and delicious lamb dinner recipe. I have some mashed potatoes we're going to make, and we're going to make some broccolini. I've done this several different ways before, so I have so many different variations of this. So today I'll show you one of the easy ones. But most importantly, I'm going to show you how creating structure at the beginning of your recipe really makes this dinner come together. Set all your ingredients out. The first thing we'll be doing is blending our marinade and seasoning our lamb, allowing that to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I love to cut my lamb up in at least 3 different sections during the week because if you're to do this whole, it's going to take a while. So allow that to marinate while you do your sides. I love to do a simple mashed potato along with some greens. I chose broccolini, but you can use any side you want. Use only olive oil to saute my broccolini, and I love to put fresh onions in there, some garlic powder, and some salt and pepper to taste. I love my broccolini well flavored. For my mashed potatoes, I keep things very simple. It should have enough salt from when you were boiling it, and you just need to add some heavy cream and butter and mash it up. That's it. It's time to broil your lamb. You put it on a rack with onions at the bottom to collect all that delicious drippings, and out it goes. You're gonna collect all those delicious drippings, and we're gonna use that to make your gravy. It's gonna be so rich and delicious. After blending all that dripping, this is the consistency. While making my gravy, I did make a light roux because I didn't want to lose that rich, nice taste to the gravy by diluting it too much. So I made it a light roux to kind of build the base for that. Add in all that blended dripping so that we can start making our delicious gravy. You can just take some water and rinse that out and make sure that you get everything out. You're going to cook it down for a little bit. Seasoning your gravy, I like a little spicy kick, so I'll add a little pepper flakes. And then I'm going to add some garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. Now, Kinders have this seasoning that they have a 3-in-1 where they have all of this combined, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. It's perfect to use. I love to use that during the week. Then now that your lamb has rested, you can cut it up. This is how I like mine. I like it more on the medium well side, so you can do it to whatever doneness you want. But this is perfect for a weeknight dinner, full and packed with flavor. The lamb was so flavorful and delicious. Be sure to check out my caption for the full detailed recipe on the lamb. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Be sure to leave me a comment if you try it. And of course, go ahead and subscribe for more delicious, bold, and flavorful weeknight dinners.